Hi, Frank Kane here, and I'm excited to announce early access to my next online course on recommender systems. It's called Building Recommender Systems with Deep Learning and AI, and you have the chance to get it before the general public does, and at a lower price too. Recommender systems are my personal area of expertise, and it's a highly demanded skill by the largest tech employers. Here's how it works. Right now I've got all the slides, scripts, and materials for the course put together, and it's just a matter of recording everything now. The first section is available already, and I expect at least one section per week to be released. By purchasing the course now, you'll get to consume each video lecture as soon as they're done, and leave feedback on anything you think we need to fix or change before we launch the course to the public. It's sort of an insider view to the production of the course that makes you part of the process. To sign up, head to Udemy at this link and enroll with the password RECBETA. Your price will be $9.99 US, which is the lowest price Udemy allows, and I promise the price will be higher when it's released to the general public. So not only do you get access to the course before everyone else, you'll be part of its production, and you'll save a few bucks too. After enrolling, watch the videos, follow along with the exercises and activities, and use Udemy's Q&A feature to provide any feedback directly back to me. Again, I want to make sure you understand you're enrolling in a course that isn't finished yet. This is an early access beta program, but I do expect it to wrap up production pretty quickly, and it's a chance for you to learn this stuff before everyone else does. If that's worth $9.99 to you, head to this link and use the password RECBETA to enroll today. Hope to see you in the course, and thanks for being an early adopter.